Hi, welcome back to class. I'm so glad you've continued. We're going to work on finding the punctuation in our script. Come on in, class. Take a seat. How did you feel saying it out loud 3 times? Did you sort of put yourself into it? So next thing I want you to do is get that same script or text or copy, and I want you to, if it's on your computer, that's okay. You can find a way to write on it, or if you print it out, I want you to literally circle all the commas, periods, and exclamation points. Any place that punctuation is used, because writers for commercials, especially commercials, all writers of scripts for television and film and movies and even theater are very specific. There's nothing there on accident. They have labored over whether it's a comma, a period, a question mark. An exclamation point is either very excited or loud or stressed for some reason that is in your heart, not just loud for the sake of being loud. But if there's an exclamation point, you have to ask yourself, why is that there? How are they feeling? How are they trying to affect the other person with their words that is making them talk louder? So they've written commercials in certain air times, 15-second spots, 30-second spots, 60-second spots, and the punctuation is all part of that human interaction time. It's also a really great close-up opportunity. So don't cheat yourself out of that. Flip through your television at night and look at people when they're not talking. The camera loves to watch you when you're not even talking. Okay, so if you just zoom right past all the punctuation, you're stealing that from yourself. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to circle all the commas, exclamation points, periods, and I want you to ask yourself, why are those there? Did I change the subject? Does the tempo change, right? So that's the first thing I want. Go away for a few minutes, do that, and I'll be waiting right here. Great class, everyone. I can't wait to see what you do. See you in the next video. Class is dismissed.